Can I do some? Whoa. Yes! Guys! What? Guys!
And it has a belt. Did you see that?
Yes! Now I have a belt. He's like, yes! Now I have a belt. Horses! Let's see. Horses. This horse? Cool. This horse.
Oh, they're awesome.
This horse.
Do you like it?
Every cowboy needs some horses.
Yeah. I need a house horse.
You do?
For my Mickey Mouse.
Now you're going to have to think of names.